Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We are the supplier of high-quality slush, popcorn, ice cream, snow cone, hot dog and candy floss machines as well as all their parts. Visit our website to get machines, all their parts and accessories. In this video, we will learn how to clean and lubricate SPM I-PRO Slush Machine. Remove the lid cover. First remove the bowl lid. Pull upward the plunger from the bowl dispensing unit. Open the screws of bowl. First press the bowl by thumb then pull it out as shown in video. Open the screw of spiral and then pull out the spiral. Pull out the spiral gasket. Pull out the bowl gasket. Clean the front seal of the evaporator. Use cloth to gently clean the evaporator. Carefully clean all sides of evaporator. Wash the bowl with water and detergent using brush. Wash so well that no mark of slush left in bowl. Wash the bowl dispensing unit. Lubricate the bowl gasket. And fix it on the evaporator. Lubricate the suction gasket and evaporator front seal, then fix the gasket on seal, and then fix the spiral on evaporator. Screw tight the spiral. Lubricate the bowl and fix it back on the evaporator as shown in video. Tight the screws of bowl. Lubricate the plunger. And fix it back on the bowl dispensing unit and check it as shown in video. Fix the bowl lid back. Thanks for watching video. Kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get our latest videos.